Triple AC, and second means this is what 402 does. Awesome. 2 for 1. Get this guy to go. Wow, finally.
What's this guy look like? Wow, look at that. Never neat. This side of him, I'm trying not to slip. Oh, that would have been funny if I slipped and it was recording. Tree in the way. Yeah, I do like aircraft also. It looks like a private owned plane. I'm not sure what it is. But yeah, aside from trains, I do like aircraft, guys, and I try to keep up on my knowledge of aircraft, and yeah, so zoom in. What are you focusing on? Oh, my phone almost blurred up. This guy's going kind of slower than the other guy that passed us. Here we go, aircraft. Yeah, there's that plane with the blue nose again. I'm not sure what kind of plane this is, but look at that. Pretty nice. Looks like it might actually be a passenger jet. Oh, I know it's the same one. Never neat. We're not too far from the airport, and yeah. Looks like he's got his landing gear out now. He must be preparing for landing, and yeah. Awesome. Look at that. Even he's circling around. Never neat. I don't have my camera, but oh well. Look at that. Even he's circling around. Never neat. I don't have my camera, but oh well. Oh, it's a different one. I'm not sure what that is. But he's coming in. I think he's gonna fly directly above us. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Very neat. He's throttling back. It's a fucking tree. There it is. Now this looks perfect. Okay, it's not the best, but there we go. Look at that. I can barely see the writing on it. That's a really nice paint job. I wish I would have brought my camera out. For some reason I didn't want to bring my camera, but oh well. Looks like he's headed for the runway. But yeah, he's going right low, so I think he might be landing now, and yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the one. Here comes